Hi, Julie. I love your little Barracuda here. What year is she?
65.
65. And this is interesting with the Slant 6. And you went out specifically looking for the 6?
I was. That's what my first car, a 71 Dodge Dart had. That's
Yes.
what I learned on. And I wanted to be able to maintain my own Barracuda, so.
Oh, very good. I know. Well, do they take any maintenance? I see you put a starter motor and an alternator on.
Well, we actually have a starter rebuilt. So it's original starter. But
Very good.
The maintenance for the Slant 6 is really the valve adjustment.
Yeah.
Every other year valve adjustments.
Yeah.
I learned to do that on my first one, continue on this one. So.
Oh, that's great. That is great. I know the valve covers always leak, but this one's nice and tight. You really keep her well.
I had to paint it. Did a lot of painting when we cut this car, but the previous owner got it from an estate sale. And this is an older repaint.
Yeah.
So it's showing its age now.
Oh, that's right. She is a sweetheart. Now you have automatic?
Yes.
Very nice.
Power
Very
steering
nice.
is a must.
Oh gosh, in Valiance, yeah. Yeah. Anything like that. I've had manual steering on Valiance and Darts. I've had a number of them.
Not easy.
And tons of them with the 6-cylinder. Now, one thing which is intriguing with the 65 Barracuda is that the horn button says Valiant.
Correct, and so does on the 65. It still says it on the back as well.
Wow. At least, there it is. There it is. At least it's a Plymouth, because the early Valiants were not Plymouth. It's just Valiant. First 2 years. Yeah, very interesting. So what kind of adventures have you had with your little girl?
Well, this is the big trip. We've been driving it here every year, pretty much, since we've gotten it. Had it about 18 years now.
Oh, good.
And it's only let me down once.
Of
course, when the show was over, far enough away from here, we lost the alternator.
Oh.
So a friend of ours lives nearby, and he rescued us, towed us back. Fortunately, the alternator was common enough that it was on the shelf at AutoZone, and off we went.
That's great. Now, that's the one thing about you. You belong to the Early Valiant Club. And one of the advantages of belonging to a club is that you have contacts.
We have contacts, we have support. In the middle of doing work, oh geez, how do I do this? They're a phone call away or a text away, states away, but only a phone call or a text.
Oh, it is great. It is great. Now, this was your retirement gift to you?
No, it was his retirement gift to me.
Okay.
From me.
Sounds good.
So I could compete with the motorcycle that he bought when he retired. So we went on many motorcycle car trips.
Oh, that's
locally.
Great.
Yeah.
That is great. Now, where do you live? What town?
We live in East Hampstead, New Hampshire.
Okay, very good. Very good.
About 30 miles out of Boston.
Oh, this is a nice trip for you then.
It is. It is. Even though it's always the hottest weekend of the year with no AC.
Well, you have 50-50 air conditioning.
I do.
So it works.
It does.
Also, that's the one thing which I love about the Valiants and the early Barracudas. You've got that lovely underdash foot vent.
Yeah, that fresh footwell air is wonderful.
Yes, and it just gushes in as long as you're moving.
And you can keep that open in the middle of a rainstorm, which I have done.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is great. This is wonderful. I just love seeing a 6-cylinder Barracuda.
They're very hard to see out here.
Oh, yeah.
The first few years, I didn't see any.
Jeez.
That's the first thing that usually goes, and they don't hire cubic inch engines and...
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
No
Let's hot rod it.
Slant 6. Nobody wants that, but I really appreciate them.
Oh, believe me, you have a big fan here of the Slant 6.
Oh, wonderful.
I adore them. Can't kill them, and it's adequate power. But actually, Slant 6s were raced. These are very, very tough engines, especially on the drag strip. These were tough engines, especially on the drag strip, because the bottom end is built like a tank. It is remarkable, just remarkable. And what I really like in this day and age of you cannot touch anything, you could do that starter motor within a few minutes. You could do the alternator within a few minutes, as long as you have friends to get it. Everything is readily available. All the spark plugs right there. It is just a joy to work on. But you never have to work on them. They are great. Julie, thank you very much for showing us your beautiful 65 Barracuda. I appreciate it. Have fun over here.